guys! Welcome to my channel. So this is going to be my very first YouTube vlog. The past few months kasi, medyo nagkakaroon ako ng time from work and I've been watching a lot of vlogs and video content from both local tsaka mga international personalities. So nag-enjoy ako panoorin yung mga ginagawa nilang nado-document nila yung buhay nila, be able to share their life, their experiences, and sometimes even their, tidbits of wisdom sa buhay nila. Also, people who are able to produce certain content, entertainment purposes, educational purposes. So, very versatile na platform. So, I decided, sige, why not give it a try? So, the past several weeks, nag-experiment ako using just my phone. So, I started out with yung iPhone 7 Plus ko. I tried using both phones to create some videos. I haven't uploaded any of them yet. Soon, hopefully, ma-edit ko and madagdag ko dito sa YouTube channel ko. Maganda naman yung video. I said to myself na since mag-i-invest na lang din naman ako ng oras, might as well invest a little bit more in terms of the equipment. So, this video is going to be sort of like a haul/unboxing video. The past few weeks, I've been reading a lot, watching video reviews, and contemplating kung anong kind of video recorder ang bagay sa akin at this time. Now, some people were saying na phones should be okay na. Some people were saying mag-invest ka na sa magandang camera. So, I thought to myself, kasi kung kukuha ako ng DSLR, number one, hindi naman ako really much into photography. Number two, they're really bulky. Mabigat sila at malaki. And number three, I don't know of a DSLR camera so far. I haven't explored yung mga high-end. It may be available sa mga high-end cameras, no? Pero so far, I haven't really seen relatively entry-level priced na dust-proof, waterproof, mga ganun. So, since mag-i-invest na lang din naman ako ng konting pera, I decided to go for a GoPro na lang. Kasi action cam, it takes really good videos. Relatively okay, maganda rin naman yung audio. And it has an option through an accessory and adapter to be able to attach an external mic. So, I didn't get a mic as of yet. Kulang pa ang budget. Pero, so yeah, I got a GoPro and I also got a Gorillapod and a few other accessories. So, I'll show you ngayon kung ano yung mga nabili ko. I got a Joby Gorillapod 3K kit. So, this is what the box looks like. Mananotice ninyo wala na po siyang laman kasi ginamit ko na po siya to mount my phone to be able to record this video kasi wala pa akong ibang camera to be able to do that. So at least yung Gorillapod is known siya to be very durable. I know na merong mga knockoffs na mga Gorillapod pero according to feedback nga, mura nga siya pero madali din masira. So I've also seen several YouTube videos wherein people were using those knockoff pods and it would break while they were filming. So I invested in a good one already so that I don't have to worry about it breaking at any given point. Okay, so that's the first item. And then binili ko yung equipment all in one store. This is in Glorieta 2. I was given a pretty good upgrade and discount. Very accommodating yung it was a Chinese looking lady, I forgot her name. So, pag bumili ka sa kanila ng GoPro, ang offer nila initially was a 16 gig Sandisk na memory card. She was nice enough to upgrade it for me. So, instead of a 16 gig, she gave me a 64 gig memory card. So, it's not here anymore. They already demoed the unit. So, nabuksan na initially ito sa store just to be able to check for any out-of-the-box defects. So far, wala na. So, in-insert na nila dun sa unit yung isang 64 gig. Tapos, I also got a second 64 gig memory card para meron akong ka-alternate just in case maubos yung 64 gig at any particular given shoot. And then since I've never really used the memory card slot or reader in my laptop, so I'm not really sure if it's working. So I decided to buy a USB 3 card reader. So that's that. Now let's go to the GoPro. So I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So this is the most recent of the GoPro Hero variation. So just to give you quick specs, I know a lot of people have done this already, but since it's my first video, let's do this. So it has a 12 megapixel cam. It can record up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second. At 1080p, it can record up to 240 frames per second. So that's in slow-mo. So that's 8 times slow-mo. It's already water resistant or waterproof up to 10 meters or that's 33 feet. Sabi nila meron daw siyang voice command. So dinemo sa akin sa store. Pretty cool. Meron siyang mga parang key phrases to be able to activate certain functions in the camera. And then touchscreen siya, of course, HDR. Hyper smooth technology, so it's sort of like the software stabilization that's being pushed by GoPro. According to review videos that I've seen on YouTube, mga sample videos that they used side by side together with other products, I'm pretty happy with what I've seen so far. So very good stabilization, so that's important. And apparently it has a feature to be able to live stream. So I guess connect to the internet, I'm not sure how, maybe it's through Wi-Fi, and then connect to your social media account like Facebook siguro and YouTube, I'm not sure, and be able to do live streaming there. So I would guess that would require pretty stable and strong internet connections to do that. Okay, so let's open this up. Inside the box you have like a basic instruction card. There's a sticker card, so may dalawang stickers for you to put anywhere, I don't know, on your laptop, on your car, or something else, I don't know. And then there's the user and warranty product manual, safety instructions as well. So yun lang naman yata. It comes with, meron siyang dalawang parang mounting thingies. I'm not really sure, hindi pa ako masyadong techie and familiar sa mga ways to be able to mount these kinds of cameras. And then it comes with the charging cable, USB to Type-C, I believe, cable, and that is pretty much it. Yeah, wala na ibang laman. So yun lang. So let's take out the GoPro itself. Sabi natin to. Tanggalin ko lang muna yung so nakalagay siya dito sa parang mount niya for display purposes. So it comes with its case already, and then sort of like a safety clip. It comes with this. So ito daw yung ginagamit para kung gusto kong, kasi ito yung, this is the one that you can just screw the mounting clip or bracket of the Gorillapod. So buka natin ikabit ha. Okay, and then you put in the screw clip thingy. Hindi ko pa alam ng tawag talaga eh, so bear with me. Okay. Tapos, so ito, out of the box, nakalagay na siya dun sa case niya. So kung gusto mong tanggalin sa case niya at makita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng unit itself. So medyo tight yung lock niya to make sure na secure yung item. Ayan. So ito yung case. And then this is the unit itself. So hindi ko pa ito na-charge since binili ko. So factory charge lang siguro siya. Yan na! Excited! So ayun, marami siyang different modes. In terms of the video, the resolution and I guess the aspect ratio, it has both 16:9 and 4 to 3. Kung gusto mo na enabled yung hyper smooth stabilization, you have to put it on the 16 to 9 ratio. So sa 16 to 9, ang available mo is resolution sa 720p, 1080p, 2.7K, and 4K. So kaya niya 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. Now, kung gusto mong anything higher, you're gonna have to reduce, scale down yung resolution. Now, may mga videos ako na nakita, sabi, if you're recording at 4K resolution, usually maximum duration is somewhere around 30 to 35 minutes before it starts heating up really bad. There were cases wherein nag-shutdown pa siya kasi mainit na nga. Unless siguro cinematic videos ang kukunin mo like of nature and stuff like that, I don't think I'm going to need yung 4K videos as of yet. So for now, let's set it to 1080 60. Field of view, it's either you put it to wide or linear. Yeah, so that's about it. Medyo nagrereklamo na siya kasi 4% na lang yung charge niya. Pero I'm very happy with my choice so far. I'm going to be testing it out tomorrow. I'm going out with my friends. So this is going to be at night time. And then we'll see how it turns out. But so far, I'm very happy. Very compact, very lightweight. It feels solid. It's small, pero hindi siya yung flimsy na parang lata lang yung ano. It feels substantial, it feels durable and strong. So I can't wait to be able to test it out. By the way, speaking of traveling and actually using this particular action cam, I also bought another accessory. So share ko lang din. Bumili ako ng dual charger, battery charger that comes with a spare battery. Very good price. I thought yung mga ganitong extra battery with charging cradles are very expensive, but turns out it's not. Reasonably priced siya. So I got it, binigyan din ako ng konting discount for this. And then, apart from the memory card pala guys, may binigay pa po sila sa akin for free. So, I don't think this is anything that's expensive, but I appreciate the promotion or the package that they gave me. So they gave me a sleeve plus lanyard. So for free, kasama ng 64 gig na SD card. This is for you to be able to carry it around your neck. It's I think it's going to be a very good option para for if example I don't have it mounted at monopod or something. Nakasabit lang siya sa leeg ko. Pag nahulog siya, so silicone, so at least merong some form of shock absorption para menos yung impact sa GoPro natin mismo. So yeah, that's just about it. I just wanted to share with you guys my very first vlog. I have some clips already, some videos that I'm currently working on editing so that I can start uploading them as soon as I can. Probably not until next week sometime, or probably by the end of this week, no? Dito po sa channel ko, I'm aiming to be able to upload at least mga 2 videos a week siguro to start with kung kaya, or at the very least 1 video per week. So, ayun po, thank you po for staying with me throughout this time. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo kahit papano. If you have any comments or suggestions on how you want me to handle my videos, to conduct the videos, any tips that you might have, please let me know, comment down below. Don't forget na rin po to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Also click on the bell notification button para whenever I do upload my new videos, ma-notify po kayo at malaman ninyo kung kailan at mapanood nyo po. So I'm going to do my best to keep my videos interesting. Kung may mga suggestions kayo in terms of content, just comment down below. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to read those comments and respond to you as much as I can. Okay, so I'm not doing this full time, but I will try to do my best to keep you guys engaged and provide you more interesting content. Maraming salamat. Thank you.